wish to lay the following papers on top of the House today.
Finance Minister Njeru Githae this Thursday tabled the budget estimates for the next financial year in compliance with Article 221 of the new Constitution, which requires that the Cabinet Secretary in charge of finance to submit to Parliament a revenue estimates of the national government at least 2 months before the end of every financial year. The 2012-2013 budget will be the country's largest ever budget, with 921.8 billion shillings set aside to fund the recurrent expenditures, while the development budget will receive 273.5 billion shillings. The Ministry of Education, through the Teachers Service Commission, will receive 119 billion shillings, while the Ministry of Defence is set to receive over 70 billion shillings to sustain its activities in Somalia. The Ministry of Provincial Administration and Internal Security is also a key beneficiary, receiving over 64.9 billion shillings for security operations, including additional security for the forthcoming general elections. The Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission (IEBC) has been allocated over 17 billion shillings, 7.3 billion shillings to fund the general elections, 122 million shillings for voter education, and 3.69 billion shillings for the registration of voters. The 1.2 trillion shilling budget has also made special allocations for the devolution of services to the counties in key sectors. The equalization fund will receive over 2.5 billion shillings to fund various projects including irrigation, roads, livestock development, energy and education. Denis Otieno, Citizen Business.